Hey guys, so this is lesson 5 variables. This is a um, this is where you learn about something that you've already do understand, which is variables in math. But then what we're going to do is learn how you can apply that knowledge to coding. Okay, so this says read the code below and then make a prediction. Where will the circle be drawn, and what will happen if you change the numbers in line 1? Okay, so let's look at this. There's my variable, and it says x position 50. And then I have an ellipse, and it's x position 350, 100, 100. All right, so we know that that's about 50x right there, and that's 350 right there. So my prediction is that I predict that the ellipse is going to be shown in the top left when it really should have been the bottom left. But like, you click run, oh, there it is. Okay, that's good. You'll click finish. Okay, now there is a video that you're going to watch in which this gentleman right here is going to tell you all about variables. It's definitely something that you want to watch because it's going to set up one of the codes that you're going to be using the most in this class for the next couple of weeks. Okay, so please watch that. Like, what are they used for? How do you create a variable and assign it a value? And what can go into a variable? All right, so we're going to go to the next, which is step 3. We're going to be making another prediction. It says in which corner of the screen is the circle going to be drawn. So we've got our variable variable x position, which is 300. So we know it's going to be on the right hand side. And then our variable y, which is 100. So it's going to be somewhere up here. So I click run. There it is, top right hand side. There you go. Notice how they're named. X position. What's the y? So you begin lowercase, and then when you get to the next letter or word, that's where you capitalize. Same thing right here. What's, and then it's the, and then y. All right, that's just the normal convention. Okay, you're going to debug this, and how you debug this is pretty simple. I'm going to click start over. The thing I cannot stress enough to you as students is you have to follow these naming conventions. If you don't, your variables just won't work. And lesson 5, stage 4 is a very light-handed way of showing you this. However, when you get beyond these lessons, when you get closer to like lesson 15, 16, whatever, and you start working towards making your game, and you decide that, I'll just make this variable A and this will just be variable B, you potentially anyways are gonna run into problems in which, well, what is variable A and what is variable B? And so, you know, name your variables what they are. So like if you have a variable for a dragon, a green dragon specifically, then call your variable var, like it is here because that's what assigns it, and then green, so lowercase green, and then dragon, so it'd be capital D, no space, ragon. See how they put spaces in here? Size of circle. This is something people do because they're used to having an English class. Well, you don't actually do that in a coding class. Okay, so notice I've gone from